We have over here doing an experiment. The watermelon are going to go here because basically we're going to train the watermelon to grow into the open space here and go that way. And we're going to put down some of the weed blocker paper. So then that way we'll cut the grass, but we won't worry about it coming up or worry about it disrupting the watermelon vines at all. And then for anybody walking, they'll know that that area is blocked off. Probably put some nice string or something else too, or some sunflowers, maybe dig them in, and they'll help block. That'll look really pretty, like a maze. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. And then you have the perimeter to be able to walk around to get to the other plants and vegetables. And so the black weed blocker paper here is where we're going to plant the other vegetables. So it tests to see will they still grow well, which I have confidence that they will, but just the amount of weeding. Since it'll be a variety of different plants, not having to worry about weeding in between will be good. These, it's only going to be one watermelon or cantaloupe per block. So we don't necessarily need to worry about weeding. If it's not the watermelon plant, it's a weed, or it's an unneeded plant. And we have mixed soil here. So this is the mixed project of doing the no dig, no weed with the black paper. Weed blocker that's just covering right on top. So yeah, and then you see the little skewers that we use in order to block off. So these are it's a 4x4 square, so it's 4 square feet here, and we just use the skewers. They were approximately about 12 inches apart, which gives us, this is a 5x10 box, so it gives us 5 squares for the length. All right, we're gonna go inside and get these watermelon plants in and start putting some other stuff in too. Pop's recording.